Hi guys, welcome to the channel for all things metal roofing in the Carolinas. I'm your host Audrey and we cover all things metal roofing. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and tune in for more. So today we're in Edenton, North Carolina, and we're speaking with a recent customer of Gator Metal Roofing, Miss Ernestine Hall. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing great.
I love you guys. Oh,
Yes.
y'all so wonderful. You are.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. Speaking of loving us, you brought 4 roofs. You bought 4 Gator Metal roofs. What made you buy 4 Gator Metal roofs?
I love the roofs.
Yeah.
Metal. Your workers are beautiful. They talk with you, let you know what to expect from the roof.
Yeah.
You know, and also they will work with you if you don't have all your money.
Okay.
And you talk to the company and they'll work with you.
Yeah.
You know, so that put me in there. Everybody was so nice.
Yeah.
You know, and I
Awesome.
enjoyed that.
I'm glad that you had a great experience working with Gator. What made you want to switch from tin to metal?
My husband, before he passed,
Yeah.
that's what he used, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I was trying to keep the tradition still the same,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah.
But it was just time for a new roof.
Yeah.
How old were your tin roofs?
About 20 years.
20 years.
Because it started leaking in there,
Oh, wow.
you know. And I said, I'm not going to let his houses go down.
Yeah.
Because he had them before we married,
Yeah.
you know. So I was trying to keep everything up for him.
Yeah,
You
that's
know?
good.
Yeah.
So when the marketing person came out to talk to you about a metal roof,
Yes.
even though you already were interested in metal, was there anything in particular that stuck out to you?
The people.
Yeah.
You have a nice personality, you'll go with it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because you observe them first,
Yeah.
you know, and you know how the person is. So we sit on the porch and started talking.
Yeah.
And he says, is it all right if I put a sign there? I said, do what you got to do.
Yeah.
And I'm finna go. And that's what I did.
Did any of the
Everything was real nice, though.
Awesome.
I enjoyed
Did any of the benefits stick out to you?
I just wanted a roof on the house, keep
Yeah,
from
you
rotting
needed
down.
it. Yeah, you needed one fast.
Yeah.
Speaking
Yeah.
of needing a roof fast, how quickly did it take Gator to put a new roof on for you?
2 days?
2 days.
I think it was 2 days.
Wow, so when you have a leak and you need a roof, you
Yeah.
call the Gator.
That's right. Roll with the punches. Yay. Go with Gator.
Love
That's
it.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was real good.
So you have a black metal roof. What made you choose that color?
Because I asked them, I said, what y'all think with this white? They said, black would look nice. I said, well, put it on there. But I know I needed it, and I know things are expensive,
Yeah.
you know, so you have to go with it.
Yeah, especially when it's quality.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it'll last a long time.
Mm-hmm.
I'll probably go when that roof still be there.
I know you don't live at a lot of the properties, but have you noticed any energy savings, any energy efficiency when it comes to the roofs?
Yeah. The house was not cold.
Yeah.
You know, that was real cold. And after put the roof on, and it felt a lot better.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
know.
So when our guys came out here to get your metal roof put on, as far as the crew, what did you think about it?
I was glad. I was glad they was here.
Yeah, they came, they did it in 2 days, and then they left.
And then the guy that come in and show you things, he would show me the magazine with the colors in it, the book, you know, like that. Everybody's just nice. When you be around nice people, you can do nicer things.
Yeah.
When you be around people that you see, you can tell if they're not good.
Yeah.
You know, you just move away from them.
Yeah.
You know. So, well, I'll talk to you later. I'll go somewhere else, you know, to yourself. But if you know they're good, you're going to hang right there with them. And I'm hanging with Gator to the end.
All right.
That's right.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Well, we thank you so much for trusting Gator Metal Roof
Yeah.
to upgrade your homes. And we hope that you continue to
I will. I'm going to
enjoy
look out
our
for you
roof.
guys. Yay.
And if you were to choose another color, what color do you think it would be?
Maybe a blue.
A blue. Okay, blue is pretty popular.
Yes. Yes, it is. Yeah. Oh, that stands out.
Yeah.
But black stands out better than the blue if you have a white.
White house.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely. Well, we thank you so much.
You're quite welcome.